Today, I'm going to be showing you how to earn between $100 and $2,000 a day simply copy and pasting with a really easy Google hack. Now make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so you don't miss any of the important steps to get started. One reason I really love this method is that it's available in a ton of different countries and it's absolutely free to get started. You also don't need any previous experience as this is very beginner friendly. Now, I'm going to be showing you a couple of websites to help you generate an income from the comfort of your own home. You see a lot of these videos online that show you this method, but would normally send you to a specific website which I will show you in a moment, but I will also be showing you over 100 different websites where you can implement this method and start making money today simply by copy and pasting. I will also show you a really cool trick which will help you speed up the whole process. Let's get into the video and I'll guide you through it from start to finish. But before that, if you're interested in videos about making money online, e-commerce and entrepreneurship, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell so you can stay updated with all the latest money making videos. Now, let's get back into today's video. So I'll be walking you through a number of different websites in this video, and the first one is Quora.com. If you're not familiar with Quora, it's basically a website that allows users to ask and answer questions in a range of different topics and will be the basis of the copy and paste element in this method. So how the strategy works is basically there are many businesses and websites that need content for their digital assets online. This ranges from blog articles, essays, reports and things like that, and you will be creating content for them using Quora and our simple copy and paste method, and I'll show you a really cool twist that will allow you to churn out lots and lots of these pieces of content over and over again for lots of companies. So when it comes to other people, they will normally send you to a website called textbroker.com. But the number one problem with this site is that they only accept people from tier 1 countries, so effectively shutting the door to the rest of the world. Now if you are one of those people from these tier 1 countries such as the US, UK and Australia, then you can sign up to this website. But for those of you who are not, then don't worry as I'll show you where to find over 100 different websites that you can implement this method from almost any country in the world. Firstly, I'll show you around Textbroker. So you'll come over here and click on I write content. Then scroll down and you can check out roughly how much you could earn. So to summarize, on Textbroker, you basically earn according to your star level, which is based on the amount of work you have submitted. So you can check out this calculator and you can change the values to show you an estimate of how much you could earn. So we can check out this calculator and you can change the values to show you the estimate of how much you could be earning in relation to your star level. So as a star level of 2, you can expect to earn $7 per 1,000 words. But if we change it to a level 5, we see it considerably higher at $50 per 1,000 words. So some people make these videos and show you that you can make $250 for 5,000 word articles, but realistically it is very difficult to get a level 5 on here. And it is more realistic that you'll be making around $7 per 1,000 words that you write. Now that is an okay option and a lot of people like using Textbroker, but I'm just letting you know the reality of it. Now I would personally recommend a website called moneypantry.com, and it is just an amazing resource. Now on this site it will show you 101 sites that will pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Now remember, we will be using this copy and paste method so you won't need to actually write these blog posts yourself. We'll be making simple edits to them and I'll show you how to upload them too. So if we scroll down here, we will see the sites that will pay us from $50 to $3,000 per blog post. And the good thing is that it is laid out in categories so you can choose a subject that actually interests you. And if you keep scrolling, you will see a ton of sites that will pay you for sending them content. So if you were to choose one of these to have a look, so let's just go for vacation and travel. And we just choose this first one here. So we can see that Transitions Abroad, they're offering $150 per post. And let's just click onto here. So this is the information page for that website, and so they just list all the different information about what they're looking for and how they want you to write the articles. So we can see here that they're mainly looking for articles about working abroad, living and moving abroad, volunteering abroad, and so on and so forth. They have a section here that explains how you submit an article and also how much they pay writers for submitting articles. So remember guys, we are not going to be actually writing out these articles. We're going to be using our super easy copy and paste method using Quora.com. So if we just go ahead and choose one of the categories that they're looking for. So one of the categories that this website is looking for is working abroad. So we're going to go and head over to Quora.com and search for working abroad. So all I've done is typed in a few keywords into Quora relating to working abroad, and I've come up with this question, which is, what has your experience teaching English abroad been like? And it has 14 answers, and this is going to be the basis of our copy and paste method. So we are going to be going through some of these answers, and what I like about the answers on Quora.com is that they're quite in-depth and they're quite genuine. So there are a lot of different answers here with a lot of great information. Okay, so we can use this one right here. So what we would do in general is that we want to pick and choose from different answers and choose the parts that we actually want. So we want to create a article about teaching abroad and your experiences teaching English abroad. So we'll be cutting and pasting things that we like from this article into a Google Docs spreadsheet or a Word file, and we are going to be making simple edits to them so that we can make it look like it's just from one article and not piecemeal from different sources. And remember to actually try to change it a little bit so that you're not just copying it from the original author. Another hack that you can do on Google Docs is that if you come over to tools, you can actually select voice typing, and with this will allow you to speed up the process a little bit for those who don't like typing out a lot of things. So what you can do is that you can have your Quora page open and you can start recording on Google Docs, and you can just read out the parts of the answer that you want to put into your article so that you can try to speed this up. And in this way you can try and get these articles out much quicker than if you had to type. But it's up to you. If you like typing more than speaking into the microphone, then it's up to you. You can do a combination of both. So after doing a little bit of copy and pasting and finding relevant sentences and paragraphs, you can just try to neaten it up a little bit, add a title and some subheadings, and you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. And once you've done that, you can save the file, and I'll just show you how to submit it. So if we just head over back to the information page that we originally came to, it tells us here how to submit an article. So on here we can see that they would like you to email your article to this email address right here. And also we can notice here that they would like you to send a minimum of 2 to 4 high resolution photos, and I can show you where to get that from right now. So my favorite source of royalty-free high definition images is unsplash.com, and unsplash.com is a website that allows you to download unlimited amounts of royalty-free high quality images absolutely free. So on here we can just type in our keyword, which is teaching, and we can see that they have quite a lot of images relating to teaching, and you could just use some of them if it relates to our article. After that we can just save the document in a Word file and we can send it over to them via the email address provided, and it's easy as that. So if you followed this method correctly, after you've submitted your article, they should accept it. And if we come down over here, they state that they pay via PayPal or by a check if necessary. It should be as quick and easy as that. So just to recap, firstly we'll be going to moneypantry.com and finding the websites which we want to write our articles for. Secondly, we'll be going to Quora.com and finding different answers, typing in our keywords into there and finding suitable answers to compile onto our Word document or Google Docs document. Thirdly, we'll be doing some edits, neatening up things, making sure that spellings are correct and stuff like that. Is pretty simple and straightforward. And lastly, we'll be submitting our finished article to the email address provided, including our images if they require it. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, then please leave a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I will be answering everyone's comments. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.